film. Can you stop now? Thanks. I don't think it's gonna stop. Hey everyone, so today we are going to play with my new baby right here, and I thought, why not show 3 different drinks that you could serve at Super Bowl or just anytime you have a party or event. And this right here is my new ice maker by New Air. I've shown plenty of their products here at my house. I have the mini fridge, the freezer, so you could go check out those videos if you'd like, but never had an issue with any of their items. So I'm excited for this. And another reason why I am so pumped about this is because it is crushed ice. I love crushed ice. There's something about it. I like to crunch on it and everything. Oh, it's so delicious. You could have this outdoors if you're having an outdoor party, or just tell people like, hey, use this. It's so much better than grabbing ice out of an ice chest. This is so nice, and there's not a lot of buttons, so it's not very like difficult for anyone. So if you're not like really good at things like this, if it has a ton of buttons, don't worry. Actually very spacious, and the little nuggets, the ice nuggets, will definitely be perfect in this. Just so nice, and it's not bulky. So like, here's an example. I gotta clean my table a little more, but here's an example of like the size of my table, and then there's the ice maker. So this is, like I said, perfect for indoors, outdoors, and just very convenient, especially if you're having people over. I'm in the garage real fast to show you guys the box that it came in. This is it. It's pretty good sized box here, but it says 30-pound countertop nugget ice maker, and there is the dimensions and such. So in case you are very serious about getting one, you know. Let's get this going. So my team didn't make it to Super Bowl, sad, but we are all going for a team here. Actually, my daughter's team, she's a Rams fan. She is going for the Rams, so I got her these plates. And I am actually going against that. I'm going for the Cincinnati Bengals to win the Super Bowl. What do you guys think? What are your predictions? And comment down below and see if you're right. So before I use anything, I always like to wash, rinse. So here is the ice tray. I wasn't able to show you that earlier, and the scooper. And then now, in case you came here to kind of see like how the actual ice maker works versus what drinks I'll make, here are the buttons. You do get instructions if needed, but this is obviously the start. Oops, wrong one. This is the start or stop the appliance. Then there is a clean key, which is pretty cool. And then the ice making indicator is right over here, the cute little ice cube, and it will light when the appliance is making the ice. So the clean indicator will it will light up when the appliance is performing its actual cleaning, and that's right there, like the little like shiny thing. And then we got the water refill indication. So that one is right here, the water. And then we have the ice full indicator, which lets you know when your ice basket is full. So to refill, you could do what I did and fill up the water reservoir by removing the basket, or you could hook up the included water line and you go ahead and plug that in. Those are ways that you could refill your ice maker. And you're gonna fill this up with water, like drinking water, and fill it up to where it says max. And then you put the basket in there. But first you gotta plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in, and there is the ice indicator. So now that that's flashing, we know it's working, and we're gonna open up the lid. And I already removed the basket, and now I'm gonna fill it up with water. So I suggest getting one of these big gallons of water to pour it in, so you're not in there putting like drinking water, like little water bottles one at a time, which will take forever. So yeah, just like throw that in there. Okay, I filled it up with water and then I put the tray back in. Now I'm shutting it. Ooh, look at my reflection. Hello. There you go. And now it should take about 20 to 30 minutes. Pretty much depending on the temperature of the water that you put in. So I want to show you guys the ice right now. Ooh, look at that. Perfect size. Okay, for my first drink, I just put in some frozen strawberries, and then I had this sliced strawberries with sugar, and there's only a little bit in there, so I'm gonna also pour that in. For this, I'm just blending the strawberries and some pineapple juice. And then after I do that, I'm gonna take it back over to the table and start making the drink. There you go. So I'm gonna blend that, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna take it to the table. We have some ice in the ice maker, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. What I'm gonna do first is just get some ice and pour a little in here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour that mixture in here that I just made. Not all of it, because I mean, it's only me here. Oops, I spilled. Okay, just make sure you don't spill like me. All right, then I got a lime, and I'm going to squeeze that lime in here. And then a shot of vodka. Yummy, you guys. I'm going to shake that up. But first I'm gonna put some ice in here, just so we can pour it over ice. For the person that ordered this beautiful, yummy strawberry deliciousness. All right, so I got some ice. See the crushed ice? So here we go. Shake it up, shake it up. If you wanted to, you could have rimmed the top with like sugar. I think that would have been good. Sugar with a little bit of salt, like mix it up. Then you're gonna top it off with just a little bit of club soda or Sprite. And there you have it, you guys, drink number one. This one's so good. I could garnish it a little better, but I've got other drinks to make you guys. Well, not make you, but show you. So there you go. This one is so good. You could taste the strawberry in it, the lime. It's just so refreshing. And let's move on to drink number two. So the next one's super easy. It's for those that don't want to do mixing or any of that kind of stuff. Just bam, 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 done. So I'm going to show you the easiest one ever. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I love myself a good bourbon. I'm a whiskey bourbon drinker. So you just get any good whiskey bourbon. I have different ones. I just grabbed this one for today. And what I'm gonna do is simple. Just get myself some ice in a cup. That's enough. You can put around 2 ounces. All right, that smells good. And then I like Diet Coke, but of course you can use regular Coke. And there you have it. You could have them drink it just like that or add a straw. And this one is so good. Oh my gosh, I could just smell it. If you want to garnish it with something, you can, but I don't usually with whiskey. Sometimes I can put an orange in there. Like an orange slice would be great. I actually don't have an orange, but that would have been perfect. Or like a cherry. So that I wouldn't do a lime or a lemon in here, but definitely the orange or cherry. Okay, this next one's gonna be super easy to do. So this one, I like to first get a lime and get the whole rim and then put it on top of the salt to salt the rim of the cup. Okay, so once I've done that, I then get the lime that I used on the top of the rim, and I just squeeze it in there. And this is up to you, but I don't mind it. I like to just drop that in there. And then now we're gonna grab the shaker. I put some ice in the rimmed cup, and then I also have a little bit of ice in here with Sprite. Now I'm gonna squeeze some more lime juice, some fresh lime, not the Sprite lemon lime. 2 shots of tequila. Okay. 4. I like to add some more lime on top. I just feel like the lime, it just makes this taste so much better, and I just love it. So you could do that. I don't know if you guys ever had these pica slices. This is the watermelon one, and it is so good. And there's just something about the way this tastes with tequila that's just amazing. So I like to just do this. Just dip this in there, stir it around, and then have this on the side. But that chili watermelon, it actually mixes really well in here. So love that. Oh, so good. All right, so then you could get it to stay like that. Just put it through a lime wedge on the side. It tastes so good. People would love this drink if you made it for them. So yeah, this is the last drink, the last and final one. And tell me below which one you would love to try. Don't forget to click the link down below. It will have the ice maker there for you and their other stuff that I'm always raving about. So don't forget to do that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.